Hello students, now we start with the PDF exercises of the chapter Fair Play. Well, let's start with the word meanings of this chapter. Became indifferent. The meaning is lost interest in or did not care for. Second is grudge. Gave unwillingly, felt angry or unhappy about giving. Swallowed these insults means tolerated them. Make it up means stop quarreling or come to an agreement with. Mum means quiet or silent. Nominate means propose or suggest someone's name for something. Abide by means accept. Seldom means rarely. Tight spot means difficult situation. Deviate means move away from, leave. Next is frame the sentences. Grudge. He grudged the work and time that the meeting involved. Second is nominate. The film was nominated for several Oscars. Third is mum. During the game of hide and seek, the children stay mum. Seldom. My mother seldom watches TV at night. Deviate. I will never deviate for what I believe to be right. Next is match the sentences under one and those under second. Juman and Algu were the best of friends. In the absence of one, the other took care of his family. Juman's aunt transferred her property to him. The condition was that he would be responsible for her welfare. The aunt decided to appeal to the panchayat because she wanted justice. Algu was unwilling to support the aunt. The bond of friendship between him and Juman was very strong. Juman was very happy to hear Algu's name as head punch. He believed that his friend would never go against him. Now the next part is who says this to whom and why. My wife knows best how to run the house. Juman says these words to his aunt because his aunt was asking for a monthly allowance. Second is, but is it right, my son, to keep mum and not say what you consider just and fair? Juman's aunt says this to Algu because he was unwilling to support the aunt by going against Juman. Third is, what have you to say in your defense? Algu says this to Juman when Algu is made a punch by Juman's aunt. He said this because he wanted to be unbiased. Next is, I cannot pay you a penny for the rest piece you sold me. Samju Sahu said so to Algu because the bullock that Algu had given to Sahu died in a month and Sahu had not paid Algu for the bullock. Fifth is victory to the panchayat. This is justice. Algu shouts this to the people around when Juman gives a fair judgment. C is answer the following questions. Then the situation changed. What is being referred to? The situation being referred to Juman and his family's behavior towards his aunt. Juman's aunt had transferred her property to him on the understanding that he would look after her. The arrangement worked well for a couple of years. Later, Juman and her family grew tired of her. He became as indifferent to her and his wife too grudge even for the little food that the old lady wanted every day. Second is when Juman's aunt realized that she was not welcome in his house, what arrangement did she suggest? When Juman's aunt realized that she was not welcome in his house, she suggested that Juman should give her a monthly allowance so that she could set up a separate kitchen. Third is what was the villagers' reaction when the aunt explained her case to them? When the aunt explained her case to the villagers, some sympathized with her, others laughed at her, and a few others advised her to make up with her nephew and his wife. Why was Juman happy over Algu's nomination as head punch? Juman was happy over Algu's nomination as head punch because Algu was his best friend and he knew that he would never go against him. God lives in the heart of the punch, the aunt said. What did she mean? God lives in the heart of the punch. By this, Juman's aunt meant that a punch was always impartial. A punch had neither friend nor an enemy. Whatever justice he delivered, it was a justice delivered by God. Next question is, Algu found himself in a tight spot. What was his problem? One of the Algu's fine pair of bullocks died and he sold the other to Samju Sahu on the understanding that Sahu would pay the price of the bullock in a month's time. The bullock died within a month and Sahu refused to pay Algu. Next question, what was Juman's verdict as head punch? How did Algu take it? Newman's verdict as head punch was that since the bullock did not suffer from any disability or disease when Sahu bought it, although the death was unfortunate, Algu could not be blamed for it. Therefore, Sahu would have to pay Algu the price of the bullock. When Algu heard Newman's decision, he stood up and said loudly over and over again, "Victory to the Panchayat." This is justice. God lives in the heart of the Panch. Now next is, which of the following sums up the story best? Let no one deviate from the path of justice and truth for friendship and enmity. In this story we see justice being done in spite of friendship or enmity. Both Algu and Newman gave verdict without keeping any friendship nor enmity. Next is, there are some words in the sentence which are italicized. We have to replace these words with their correct meaning. In the first sentence, to remain silent replaced to keep mum. Second, unfortunately as ill luck would have it. Take risk, take chances. Fourth sentence, taken care of, look after. Fifth sentence, end your quarrel, make it up. Sixth sentence, a difficult situation, a tight spot. Seventh is, I felt very disappointed, my heart sank. Eighth is, examine, go into. Ninth is, accepted without protest, swallow. Tenth sentence, free me from worry, ease one's conscience. B is, why don't you set down your ideas on paper? Set down means write or record. A fund has been set up for the soldier's family. Set up means put in place or start. Next is, we should set aside a little money every month. You should buy some woolens before winter set in. They set out on a large state of their journey. Next is, opposites for the following words: liquid, solid; hard, soft; old, new; wet, dry; open, close; blunt, sharp; and forget, remember. These are the exercise of this chapter. Okay, thank you.